Not another rocky planet, not another world with mountains or oceans, but a place where rain could fall from clouds, where rivers might carve through valleys, where the sky could glow with the light of a distant sun, and where life, perhaps even intelligent life, could already exist. For thousands of years, humanity believed Earth was unique, the only place in the universe capable of supporting life. But modern telescopes have completely changed that belief. Scientists have now discovered more than 5,000 planets beyond our solar system. Some are burning balls of lava, others are frozen worlds covered in ice. Some are so strange that they tiny molten glasses or have winds faster than a jet aircraft. Yet among these bizarre worlds, one planet stands out, a planet so similar to Earth that many scientists call it our best chance of finding another home. Its name is Kepler 452b. But is it really Earth's twin? Could forests, oceans, and animals exist there? Or is this mysterious world hiding secrets far more terrifying than we ever imagined? Today, we are traveling over 1400 light years across the galaxy to explore one of the greatest mysteries in astronomy, the search for the most Earth like planet ever discovered. Welcome to the unseen world. Our journey begins in the year 2015. After years of silently watching the stars, NASA Kepler Space Telescope made an extraordinary discovery. Hidden among thousands of distant stars was a tiny signal, a planet passing in front of its sun. Again and again, each time the planet crossed the face of its star, this star became just a little dimmer. The change was so small that no human eye could ever notice it, but Kepler could. By measuring these tiny drops in brightness, scientists confirmed the existence of a new world. They named it Kepler 452b. At first, it seemed like just another planet among thousands, but the more scientists studied it, the more exciting it became. Kepler 452 orbits a star that looks remarkably like our own Sun. Its star is only slightly larger, a little brighter, and about 1.5 billion years older. In many ways, it's like looking at what our own Sun might become in the distant future. Even more fascinating is where the planet orbits. Kepler 452 lies inside what astronomers call the habitable zone. This is often known as Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, a region where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, and where scientists find the possibility of liquid water. They began to wonder about life. The planet completes one orbit around its star in about 385 Earth days. That's amazingly close to Earth's 365-day year. Its distance from its star is also surprisingly familiar. If you could somehow stand on Kepler 452 and look up at its sky, its sun might appear much like ours. Days could begin with golden sunlight. Clouds might drift across the sky. Rain could fall onto mountains, rivers, or vast plains. At least that's what scientists hope. But there is one enormous problem. Kepler 452 is unimaginably far away, more than 1400 light years from Earth. That means the light reaching our telescope today actually left the planet over 1400 years ago, long before modern science, long before telescopes, even before many of the world's greatest civilizations reached their peak. In other words, everything we know about Kepler 452 comes from tiny clues hidden in faint starlight. No spacecraft has ever seen its surface. No telescope has photographed its oceans. No one knows what truly lies beneath its clouds. And that mystery only gets deeper because although Kepler 452b is often called Earth's twin, the truth may be far more complicated than anyone expected. For all the excitement surrounding Kepler 452b, there is one important truth. We have never actually seen the planet. Not even the most powerful telescopes can capture a clear image of its surface. Everything we know comes from mathematics, tiny changes in starlight, and careful scientific calculations. That means much of Kepler 452b remains a mystery. Scientists estimate that the planet is about 60% larger than Earth. That might not sound like a huge difference, but it could completely change the world. If Kepler 452b is rocky like Earth, its gravity could be much stronger. A person weighing 70 kilograms on Earth might feel much heavier there. Walking could become exhausting. Running might be difficult. Even flying animals, if they exist, could look very different from those on Earth. But here's where the mystery becomes even greater. It could be a rocky super Earth, or it might be a mini Neptune wrapped in a thick atmosphere of gas. If that's true, there may be no solid ground at all, no mountains, no forests, no ocean we could ever stand beside, only endless layers of dense clouds stretching into darkness. Scientists simply don't know. Another mystery lies in its age. Kepler 452 is believed to be around 6 billion years old. Imagine what that could mean. If life ever began there, it may have had over a billion extra years to evolve. On Earth, a billion years changed everything. Tiny single-celled organisms eventually became fish, then dinosaurs, then mammals, and finally humans. So what could happen with another billion years? Perhaps nothing, perhaps only simple microbes survive, or perhaps life there became far more advanced than anything we have ever imagined. Civilization could have risen, disappeared, or still be watching the stars, wondering if they are alone. Of course, there is another possibility. The planet's older star shines brighter than our sun. Over billions of years, that extra energy may have heated the planet beyond the point where life could survive. Its oceans, if they ever existed, might have evaporated into the space. Its surface could now be a scorching wasteland, a world that once resembled Earth but slowly became uninhabitable. At this moment, we simply don't know, and that uncertainty is what makes Kepler 452b one of the most fascinating planets ever discovered. Every new telescope brings us one step closer to the truth. Future observatories may detect oxygen, water vapor, or even gases that could only be produced by living organisms. The next great discovery may not happen in our solar system. It may come from a tiny point of light more than 1400 light years away. For now, Kepler 452 remains a symbol of one of humanity's greatest questions. Are we truly alone? Somewhere across the galaxy, there may be rivers flowing beneath an alien sky, rain falling onto distant forests, or perhaps another civilization looking toward our sun. Until the day we finally uncover the answer. Kepler 452b will continue to remind us that the universe is far bigger, far stronger, and far more mysterious than we ever imagined. If you enjoy this journey to the unknown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Unseen World, and turn on notifications because out there beyond the stars, countless mysteries are still waiting to be discovered, and we will explore them together. Subscribe to Unseen World, where mysteries come alive.